Trick or treat. What do your kids want to be for Halloween? Doesn't matter. We are going to help you make any costume safe today. Kelsey Rice is a community health educator with Children's Hospital of Wisconsin, and she's part of the Kohl's Cares Grow Safe and Healthy program. And she's brought 7-year-old Reese, who will serve as our fabulous model today. Reese, you look fantastic. All right, Kelsey, let's just start with the costumes, because that's number one thing, right? How do we make sure that we have a costume that is kid safe and nice too? Yeah, so there's tons of options for kids these days, and what we want to make sure is that while they're trick-or-treating that they're visible. It's a really startling fact that half of car accident, or kids are twice as likely to get hit by a car on Halloween. So by adding things like glow sticks and... Which they like anyway, right? Yeah. Reese, like that's cool. That is not a burden for you. Adding things like glow sticks, flashlights, anything you can to increase the visibility is probably the most important thing. Well, more and more communities are going to night now anyway, right?
Yeah.
Or at least to dusk. All right, what else? I know walking around is another very important thing, being able to, move freely.
Yep, so in general, you want to make sure that the costume fits properly, and that includes the shoes that they're wearing. So Reese is wearing some comfy tennis shoes, but that also includes making sure that the costume is big enough that they can fit warm clothes underneath, like leggings or something like that, but not so big that they're tripping over it. Of course, we don't want them falling everywhere they're going as well.
And then line of sight, I know a lot of the costumes would have a mask or a hat or something like that. You want to make sure they can see as well?
Yeah, we recommend if the costume comes with a mask, instead use face paint. Face paint tends to work better, and just also if you do that, make sure to clean it off before bed to avoid irritation and things like that. But visibility is key, and with masks, it does limit that.
All right, and you've also bought a special prop bag. What is the deal with this?
So this is included in that visibility. This is a glow-in-the-dark bag, and there's all sorts of kinds, glow-in-the-dark, light up. It's just an added way that they can be seen when they're out at night. And then this is, of course, just examples of face paints that you can do. And then another quick thing is to remember, if they have a cape or something, make sure it's Velcro versus a tie. That way if something gets caught, it will come off rather than hurting their neck.
And real quick, for the kids who are able to go door to door by themselves, and that's kind of up to parents of when that should be, I guess, but what do you tell them on their way out the door?
So we recommend that children 13 and under are with an adult, but if they are going out, if they're older, make sure they're at least with somebody they know and that they're going to houses that they're familiar with.
All right, good advice. Reese, you look fantastic. Is that your costume this year? So not yet, right?
No. Undecided, right?
Right, that's a no. All right.
So many options.
Thank you both for being here. For more tips on celebrating a safe Halloween with your children, you can just look for the link. We put it up online on our website, TMJ4.com.